Dr. Amarish Badgujar, and I am the head of School of Engineering Technology, Navrachana University. Today, I would like to talk about core engineering programs at Navrachana University. We at Core Engineering offer BTech in Civil, Mechanical and Electrical and Electronics Engineering along with MTech and PhD programs. Recently, we have adopted studio-based pedagogy in core engineering to impart rigorous training and hands-on working to our engineering students. To support this pedagogy, we are having excellent infrastructure, advanced manufacturing laboratories, 3D printing laboratory, robotics and various software labs like ANSYS, Creo, AutoCAD, MATLAB, STAAD.Pro and many more. We offer regular workshops, seminar and provide internships to all our students to learn the latest technology in the market. Come and join the core engineering programs, that is BTech, Civil, Mechanical and Electrical Engineering at Navrachana University. See you all and looking forward to meet you. Thank you.